All right guys, you've been asking for it, so here is the Broncover install. And that's our tent pole. And now we're covered up. Time to hit the straps. Each of these straps are going to come with a little plastic hook. Find a hole in the frame and we'll snap it on. Quick cinch down, we're all set. Pull it over and tighten it down. This side we're going to leave it open so that we can add in the tent pole. The rubber portion is going to go down and it'll slide right here into this compartment. So check us out, www.broncover.com. We've got them for both the 2-door and the 4-door. We've got a bunch of other products that we're working on. So we look forward to seeing you there.